It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe, it's a hop in the ride, just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down, dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill my.
Hey guys, what is up? It's Bree. Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we're gonna be doing a Shein haul, and I know my little setup is a little different, y'all, but I decided to just film in my living room so it can give you guys a different type of vibe. So I wanted this video to be a little different. I wanted to style these pieces in different ways so you guys can see how I would actually wear these pieces. So if you guys are interested in the Shein trial haul, continue to watch this video. Let's get started with look number 1, girl. Okay guys, so let's get into this bodysuit from Shein. I really like the way this fit. This fit the body really nice. I also got this skirt from Shein. Let me show you the whole outfit. This purse is from Shein too, so if you don't want to wear, like if I was to go out, I would wear my DG bag, but if you don't want to wear a designer bag or anything, you can put on this Shein purse and it'll look amazing as well. So this look is perfect for date night. Take some beautiful pictures. I can't believe this whole outfit is from Shein. So let me show you how it'll look if I was to have. So that's why I feel like it's super important to have like little designer statement pieces, because I feel like it really like amp your outfit up. So this whole outfit was probably $21, $22, but then you throw on a nice designer bag or something like a statement bag to give it more of a luxe look. That fact that you guys can see my feet. So yeah, this is outfit number 1 for date night. When I wear this outfit to date night, I'll definitely pair it with a YSL Libre. I feel like this is like the perfect perfume for this outfit. It's really cute. I can picture me and my husband going to dinner, or I can even hang out with my girls. But when I go out with my husband, I like to dress a little bit more classier, like this. Now with my girls, I'll probably put on a shorter, tighter skirt, but with my man, I like to look like, you know, a little bit more classier. So this is definitely cute, classy look. So you guys rate this outfit. Where would you wear this outfit? But this will definitely be the scent for this outfit. So let's move on to the next look. Okay, you guys, so here is the next outfit. It's super, super cute. So, I know I always say super cute, y'all. That is my thing. Super cute or super bad. So, I really like this top. It's like that sweater top. Very trendy on Instagram. I do feel like I could have went down a size in this top just so I can make it a little tighter in the back. But I do like the top. You want to be careful to not get your makeup all over the top. I paired it with this skirt also from Shein. And it comes with this. It's like a cargo skirt. It's really, really cute. You can pair it in so many different ways. I do plan on styling this skirt different as well. But yeah, this is a really cute outfit to hang out, go to brunch with you and your girls. I love the way this looks. You can pair it with this Louis Vuitton bag if you have it, or you can pair it with this Shein bag, which is super cute as well. I love the way this looks. I feel like it's super flattering on my body type. I just have on my Tom Ford strappy heels because I feel like that'll look really cute with it. This outfit, I don't know, I can just picture me going to dinner, going to wine tasting, hanging out with me and my friends. You could also dress this top up with some jeans. That'll be really cute as well. But I like it with the skirt, the chocolate skirt and the cream. I just love the contrast that it gives. You can also pull your hair back in like a sleek bun just to give it more of a sleek look. Now I do have a half a bra on with this top. Now if this top was fitting tighter, I'll definitely wear it without a bra and just have some boob tape on it. But since this top is a little bit big for me, I just have on my boob tape because you have no support whatsoever. But it is a really, really cute, guys. So another way you can wear this shirt, I wanted to show you guys how to like dress it a little bit more casual. So I have on these straight jeans. Excuse me if they look wrinkled, you guys. I did not iron them. And I have this bag here from Shein as well. I just paired it with some really cute sunglasses. And if I'm going to brunch or something with me and my friends, I'll definitely wear something like this. Very casual, very cute, and yeah, you can really wear your outfits in different ways. Don't feel like just because you wore the shirt one way, you can't wear it another way, because trust me, this looked like a whole different vibe. Let me get a little close up on this bag for you guys can see. This bag is from Shein. It kind of reminds you of the Jacquemus bag, so that's the reason I got it. Shein is very known for their dupes. One thing about Shein, they're gonna dupe it. So got this bag, and I really love this bag as well. You can wear this bag as well if you want. Whatever you want to do, you can do. So yeah, that's 3 outfits, 3 fall looks. Let's move on to the next look. Okay guys, so since we are talking about like wearing your pieces, I paired the bodysuit, the black bodysuit from Shein, with these jeans, these wide leg jeans again. Have on my little YSL bag. I think this is really cute if you want to go out to the mall, do a little shopping, then you stop at Zara, then you go get some food afterwards. It's just a very cute, simple look. I'll definitely wear this to like get hookah and stuff. Excuse the pants, I know they're kind of wrinkly, but when I wear these, you'll definitely not see any of the wrinkles. You can throw your hair up in a claw clip, but normally when I want to look like really effortless, I just take my shades and I just push my hair back like this, and this just gives me a very classy look. What do you guys think? I love this look. Can you just imagine me coming in, getting some hookah, having some sushi, and just looking really cute? So, girl, I'm gonna wear these pieces. This is why this time around for Shein, I made sure that I got pieces that I can wear over and over again, because this is me. Like, I love pieces that I can wear a lot. So, yeah. And I love this little bodysuit. And these pants are so comfortable. They're not from Shein. I don't even know where they are from, but these are like my favorite jeans. So, yeah. Outfit number 4. Okay, you guys. So with this look here, it's the same bodysuit, girl. I'm telling you, I'm gonna wear this bodysuit so many times. And I just have on these leggings, these silver leggings. And I just paired it with this bag here. I think this is really cute. This is a cute little look. Instagram baddie type of look for sure. Very trendy. These type of pants are very trendy. I feel like they fit pretty good. I feel like I could have went up one size. Maybe not. But this is such a cute look for Instagram. Now, I don't mind mixing metals, so I'll probably still wear gold jewelry. Although these pants are silver, I'll probably still wear gold jewelry, because I just feel like it looks really cute with gold jewelry. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, so this outfit here is so bomb. It's so flattering on my body type. So this is a 2-piece outfit. It's this burnt orange. I saw a lot of people get the green one, so I decided to get the burnt orange because I did not want to get black. I did want to get black. I'm gonna order black, but I wanted to like do this burnt orange, and this outfit is so flattering, y'all. It just fits so good. I got it in a large. I know I got this in a large. It is so cute. This is perfect for a night out with your girls, doing happy hour, or even you can dress this up and wear it to dinner. You could just pair, I'll probably pair with this bag, but it is so cute, y'all. I love the cutout, like how it's cut right here. Now with this, it has a lot of support. I do have on a half a bra, but when I wear this, I probably don't have to even wear a bra. One thing about Bree, I love me a set. Y'all know I love me a set. So I need this in all different colors. I need it in black, brown, green. It's just the perfect outfit. Now if you are a tall girl, this will fit you really good because I'm super short and it is hanging on the ground a little bit. And I have on heels, but it have a little split, but I feel like it's not too long. I do have these pulled all the way up on me because like I said, I'm super short. Well, not super short, I'm 5'1", 5'2". So yeah, this is so adorable. And you can just, you don't have to wear this bag. You can definitely wear your Shein bag and take you a cute little Instagram picture, girl. Perfect for the fall. Okay, you guys, so let's get into this two-piece set here. The material is so nice. It's like this, I don't know, can you guys see the material? But it's so cool. So this comes with a cover up and a dress, and I think it's super cute. I love the way this look. Of course, y'all know I think it's super cute. But let me just be honest with you guys. When I wear something like this, this is kind of like a chilled look for me. I'll probably wear this. I can picture me wearing this to brunch. And it's a little nippy by the water. You know, I stay on the water, so brunch is usually on the water. And I'll just wear this on the water and I'm just looking cute and casual. But one thing about this outfit, it's really cute and casual, but you can definitely take it off. Take it off. Take it off. You can take the little sweater thing off, and you can also make this a little bit more of a day party look. Okay, I just have it matching with these brown skin tone scrappy heels. Love the way this look with the Shein bag, but I feel like by me taking the sweater cover up off, it kind of gives it more of a day party type of look, which is really, really cute. So one thing about this outfit, which is super cute, one thing about this outfit, you can wear it down or you can also dress it up. I love the material on it. This is giving Stylng. It is so adorable. So definitely can't wait to wear this outfit both ways. You can wear the other way with the sweater with some cute little slides, but if you want to dress it up a little bit and you and your girls are going to like a really cute brunch in Miami, just take that off and just wear it like this. Or you can wear this to actually sit down and eat, and then when it's time to like turn up and those mimosas are starting to kick in, you can kind of take this off, leave it on your chair, and then you can get up and dance the day away. Period. So let's get into the last outfit. Y'all, this outfit is so soft, so buttery. This is a two-piece outfit. It comes with shorts, and the shorts are not too short. They are the perfect length. I love this outfit. Now this outfit is a little see-through, so you want to make sure, but the shirt is pretty long, but you want to make sure that you wear like some thongs or something with it so your panties don't show. But this is so cozy and so cute. Y'all, I am on my way to Home Goods, and listen, I'm gonna wear this outfit to Home Goods and also Bath and Body Works. And when I wear this outfit, I'll probably just wear my Louis bag as a crossover. But this is like a really cute shopping outfit. You're hanging out, and I know a lot of people like, Bree, it's fall, it's cold outside, but I stay in Florida, so it's never cold outside. So yeah, this is my last outfit, y'all, and I love the way it looks. It's super flattering on my body type. If you're not really feeling your arms like I am lately, like look at the sleeves. Like it's just, this is just me. It's neutral. I want this in black. I want this in all different colors. It's like the perfect outfit. I am just pairing it with my DG sandals, but it'll look really cute with some like dad type of sandals. That'll be cute, like the Louis Vuitton dad sandals. That'll be really, really cute. So yeah, just wanted to come and show you guys. This is so freaking cute. It's so soft and it's just so fallish. I need this in all different colors. The quality and the way it feels on my skin is so amazing. So that's it for this Shein try on haul, you guys. It's a little different than what I would normally do. Normally I sit in my beauty room and I sit down and I just try them on. This time around I wanted to style the pieces so you can kind of actually, you can visualize like how I would really wear these pieces if I was to go out. So I might switch them up a little bit for Instagram, but this is kind of how I would style these pieces. You guys know my style is very, I would say minimalistic, but still a little extra, but I don't like a lot of like sleeves or a lot going on. I'm a simple neutral type of girl. For the summertime I did want to step out and try colors, but now that it's fall, I'm back to my roots. I'm back to the neutrals and the effortless chic type of looks, my favorite type of looks. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'm gonna link everything down below to the Shein haul. Make sure you guys check out Shein and talk to you guys later. Let me know if you guys like this setup, this type of setup. It's kind of like a vlog style video. Bye guys.